Where are we gonna walk? Look at all that snow.
Walking my momo.
You want to walk over there? Okay, walk over there.
Okay. On my right. Okay, my.
Hold your hand.
Well,
Oh, wait. Oh. Why don't we walk in a trail that's already been made? Yeah, I'll show you. Over here. How about right here? Over here. Right here. You can walk on this side.
Come on.
There he goes. He's trying to get to the chickens, but he can't get in.
Why?
Because we have the door closed. Where do you want to go?
My momo.
You want your lawnmower?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with your lawnmower?
My momo.
All right, let's go this way. Come here. If you're going to your lawnmower, let's go this way. Right over here. There's a little trail right by your lawnmower. You know who made the trail?
Yeah.
Blue. All right, take my hand.
Blue?
Yeah.
Blue?
Yeah, see, watch. See, Blue made the trail. You're going the same way.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my.
Step where there's holes. Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, stay right here.
Okay.
I'll get your lawnmower out. Your.
Oh, yuck.
Oh, you're gonna get it?
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Where are you gonna do your lawnmower? You need help carrying it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you got it.
My leg. Look. My leg. Guys. Because it's all in my momo. I'll be my momo.
I'll carry it.
Oh my egg.
Hold your hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, right egg.
How about? Hold on.
Yeah.
Here.
Right egg. Right egg. My red. Red. Oh, blue. Red. Oh, red egg. Red. 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 Blue. Oh.
You gonna do it right here?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Yay. Momo, guys. I know. No, rock. No, red.
Lawnmower doesn't work the same in the snow, huh?
Why?
I don't know. Hey, Harrison, you know what? You have another lawnmower over there. Do we need to go get that lawnmower way over there?
Yeah.
You want to get that lawnmower too?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Hold my hand.
Okay.
Step right here.
Okay. Okay. Regan. Be all my rock. Whoa. Mommy, I'm walking no.
Walking in the snow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah. I'm on saying, Momo, mine. Got it full.
That one's all covered too, huh? Oh.
But Momo, no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no?
Yeah.
It got snow in it?
Yeah.
You want me to carry it back to where the other one is?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll carry it.
No, bye-bye, no. No, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, snow.
Yeah.
The snow on it?
No. Whoa.
You don't want any snow on the ground?
Yeah.
Why, so you can use this?
Yeah.
Well, I have some news for you, Harrison. The snow is probably going to be here for a long time.
That time.
Yeah.
My wall. Bye. No. My back.
You want to go back in the house?
Yeah. My mom.
Oh, you have the lawnmower in the house?
Yeah.
Is that what you want to go use?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back in the house. You want to leave this here?
Yeah.
Okay.
All
right. We're going to go back in the house.
Yeah, my mom.
Whoa, look at you in the snow. Whoa, look at you in the snow. Oh, you can lean back. Are you going to do an angel?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Woo! There you go. Move your arms.
Oh, no.
Is it cold? Okay, here. Ready? Stand up. 1, 2. Oh! Kind of did it, huh? Looks like I can see it a little bit. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My walk away. Baby move.
It's hard when there's snow that's already been stepped in to make an angel. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's Blue's poo-poo. Oh, there's a big mountain of snow here. Ready? Oh. All right, we're going to go in the house, okay?
My mama.
Yeah, you can play with your lawnmower in the house.
No, play mama. Where? Guys.
All right. Bye-bye, snow.
I know.
Hey, Harrison, can you look over here?
Yeah?
Say, bye-bye, snow.
Bye-bye, no.